Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mdevaan. Thank you so much for dropping by today. Today I'm going to be making a soup called Ive in Tiv and Ogbono for the rest of you. So Tiv Ogbono is not complicated, it's quite straightforward. Our usual base Ogbono added with a little bit of dry fish. So if you want to see how I got here, let me show you how. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit the subscribe button and then we're going to pour water in a pot, seasoning, pepper, nune, bae, no crayfish. If a tea bogbono does not have crayfish, right? So we're going to put just onions, ground nune, ground bae, and allow it to boil with a bit of seasoning and pepper, fresh pepper. If you want a bit of kick like I do, I had to add like hot chili peppers as well, but this is totally optional. Mix everything in and then a little bit of palm oil. Palm oil is also optional as well for this particular ogbono recipe. Palm oil is optional. And then I'm going to put in our dry fish and I'm going to cover this and let this boil for another good 30 minutes because I want the fish like super soft. Don't struggle with anything. You guys know I like my protein very soft. So we're just going to let this boil properly for the next 30 minutes. So I'm just going to keep checking it, turning it and seeing if I need to add water or not. We also add fresh nune into, as in the ground one that I put in earlier, the dark colored paste, and then we also add the whole one as well into the mix, and then you let this boil. This after your fish has boiled for a while. Most people like their nune or iru a bit strong, so you don't want to put it in too early so that it doesn't like get too soft. But this totally according to how you like it. If you like it very soft, then you let it boil out. If not, add it when your fish is completely done. Now, the main reason why we're here, we're gonna put in our ogbono. Now, remember that this is just a basic tip soup base. I didn't put any crayfish or anything, just seasoning, the usual traditional seasonings, a little bit of palm oil, and dried fish. And I poured our ogbono directly in. We don't fry the ogbono for this particular recipe. And then you mix it, and then you add a bit of bitter leaf, and you're done. Now, from here on out, it's totally optional depending on how thick you like your ogbono. If you like it very thick, please skip the next part I'm about to do. But if you want to have a bit more movement in your ogbono, then please add a little bit of hot water as desired. In goes a little bit of hot water because I wanted to loosen it up a bit, and then also add in our bitter leaf, and our soup is ready. Today I'm serving this with eba. I already have a video on how to make eba. Eba is made with gari. Gari is made from cassava. So yeah, that's what we're going down with with today's soup, which is called Ive. And in goes our last ingredient for this soup, tuna, which is bitter leaf for the English speaking. And we are done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. please hit the subscribe button. My name is Mdevaan and I'm so excited. You checked out my channel today. Thank you so much. Like, comment, share. Mwah.